Hello, my name is Dima. I work for Slackson company, and now I want to show you the possibilities of Retool. Retool is a tool that allows you to quickly create an application for your business. There are ready-made components here that you can flexibly configure. Let me show you with a small example. On this panel, you can see components such as buttons, selects, input fields, tables, and more. First, let's try to customize the table. You need to drop the table on our page, and you can see that we can flexibly configure our table. For example, we need to manage size of our table, configure the fields, enable and disable multi-row selection, configure the pagination of our table, configure styles of our component, and much more. You can also see that our table uses the prepared data, but with custom queries we can change the data dynamically. For example, you can create new query. And now you can choose the prepared queries, but we choose a new one. As you can see, Retool can receive data from databases, also using API requests. In this case, we need the REST API. So now you need to know about codebeamer. Codebeamer helps manage the application lifecycle. Here you can create the projects, create the trackers inside them. This is something like subsections of projects. And inside of these trackers, you can create items or tasks. We will work with this data using REST API and custom queries. So let's get all the projects from the server and display them in our table. We need to enter the name of our query, and we need to know the REST API endpoint. Also, you can configure the URL parameters, headers, body, but we only need to configure the credentials in this case. And now we can click on Run button, and Retool displays for us the response of our requests. Then we can insert the received data into the table. Retool will automatically split the data into separate objects and detect the fields of these objects. Let me add some default features of Retool. I don't want to display the description in our table and closed and deleted fields. Also, I want to enable the multi-row selection, enable the scroll pagination, and change our background color. Let's try a more complex example. For this, I have prepared a demo application. We have 4 tabs on which I implemented various Retool features. Let's start with the Project tab. I'm getting data into my application for the REST API requests that I've configured earlier. And with the help of these queries, I can perform all CRUD operations on the data received from this codebeamer server. As you can see, I got all the project's data and placed it in this table. Here we have implemented a filter, download data button, multi-select, and sorting by field of data. I can also create projects. Okay, one more. Now let's check on the codebeamer website that our project has been created. Done. Also, when data changes on the server, Retool dynamically updates the table and chart, which displays the number of items in trackers of the requirement and test type grouped by project. Now let's try to delete some projects. Okay, done. And you also see that our chart refreshes. Let's move on to the next step. Here you can choose a more flexible chart. In this select form, I can select a project, and Retool also dynamically loads the types of trackers of the selected project into this one, and displays their number in our chart. Okay, let's go to the custom chart tab. In this step, I also use selects to display in this chart the items of the selected tracker, filtered by fields. Let's see if it works. I choose a project, and then I choose a tracker. And now I can choose a field by which we will filter our items. And now we can see this output. Let's check on the codebeamer server. And let's try priority field. Okay, let's check on the server. And the last step. Here I just implemented the feature to display response of the requests that we sent using these queries. Let's try to take our projects. Here I enter the endpoint of our API. Here are the credentials. And you can see the response in JSON format. As you have seen, in this application, Retool can flexibly handle various requests and display them in customizable forms. Thank you for your attention.